Hello my friends, the topic at hand today is a welding table. So this is not it. When I bought my welder, initially I tried welding here. Didn't go very well, so you see those marks here. This is when a hot metal touches this table. It smells funny. It also is not conductive, so I couldn't put a ground here. And it also doesn't take the heat from the part, so the part heats up too much, which is annoying and is an inconvenience. So I came up with a simple idea, just ordered a 28 euro piece of steel from eBay. It's 40 by 40 centimeters, same as my shelf dimension, so I can just put it on a shelf. It's about 15 kilos, I'd say. So 8mm thick, piece of scrap wood underneath, so it allows for the clamp to sit here nicely. And I have a system just welded like small pieces of metal here to have a 90 degree without just checking it all the time. So how it works is I just put a piece of pipe here, another over here, and I also have these clamps from the grocery store, and I just need one clamp per part in this case, and it holds it very well. Now this is very convenient to weld. There's not much design going on, but the distance here it's 30mm, so I should have made it bigger over here and another pipe coming in here. Then I cannot do this seam, right? I can only do the top seam. It's a great table, works well for me. I did a few things with it. Well, I did most of my welding on it, so like stuff like this and this and also this. So the problem with it, of course, is just that it's small, right? So when I need to work on a bigger part, I would just work on the floor, which is much less convenient, but this is always an option. Or another option, just using this little guy. So if I have a long pipe sticking out, then it will support it. So I did pretty significant pieces of pipe on this table, so like parts for the lathe table, stuff like that. Another improvement that I'm considering for this table is cutting out a section here. This would allow me to clamp the parts once, and then I would have access, if this part of the table wasn't here, to all 4 seams in one go. That would speed up the process quite a bit. I think that pretty much sums it up. If you don't want to have or don't have space for a big welding table, a small one is always a possibility. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.